Hi guys, I welcome you all to a new video, and today I'll be sharing 5 tips with you guys. With the help of those, you can actually make your engine sound good, produce less smoke, have a smoother engine with great pickup and improved mileage. So let's get started. The very simple first point is you need to clean your air filter time to time. Don't wait for your car's next service that it will get cleaned or replaced by the interval of those many miles, because what happens is that your air filter is responsible for the breathing of your engine. And you know what, if your engine is not able to breathe properly, your engine will consume more fuel to give you that same amount of power, and still it will feel lethargic, it will hesitate, it will produce smoke. So you know what you need to do is in 2 months, in between 2 months at least, clean your air filter once. The second point is you need to clean your car battery terminals, so that your car's computer can get proper voltage. At times what happens is that these terminals get very dirty, and proper voltage is not supplied to your car's computer, which leads to engine shutting off, and which leads to your car's sensors not getting proper voltage, and it can give you a plethora of problems like not getting good mileage, not getting good pickup, engine shutting off just like that, you know. So highway breakdowns, this is one of the most overlooked things which people just don't care about. They don't think that this matters so much, but this is one of the most important things which you should take care of, and you should clean your battery terminals. The third point is cleaning your mass airflow sensor. See, what this sensor does is this measures the amount of air which goes into your engine and helps in maintaining proper air fuel ratio for optimal pickup and having good mileage. If this sensor gets dirty, your ECU or car's computer will not be able to determine the best fuel ratio for combustion of your inside of your engine, and which will lead to poor engine performance and mileage. And in most cases what happens is that many mechanics are also not able to diagnose this problem. They will think that your car has some other problem. So I will not recommend that you clean this very often, but yes, in 6 months, twice in a year is more than enough to for this sensor. But this needs to be cleaned to get the most of your engine. The fourth point is having wrong tire pressure in your car. See, what this leads to is improper ride and handling characteristics. What most recommended tire pressure for most brands in India at the least is 33 psi of tire pressure. Don't fill your tires more than 33 psi of pressure. This will also improve your tires life, and your shocker's life, and this will give you a better grip on the road, better braking performance, and this will keep you safe. My fifth and the final point is especially for diesel cars which suffer from a lot of black smoke, low pickup, rough engine idle, and engines which produce a lot of noise and not running properly. Most of the times what happens, and what is the main culprit that those engines are not running properly, is fueling issues. See, with this you can solve those issues in just one go. This is one stop solution, and it will lead to a better fuel burn, and it will quieten down your high pressure pump and injector noise. Your engine will run very smooth, and your mileage will increase, and your pickup will also increase. So what you need to do is you need to mix 2-stroke engine oil into your diesel. For 5 liters you should mix around 10 ml, and vice versa. If you are putting more fuel, for 10 liters you should mix 20 ml of 2-stroke engine oil. What this does is this lubricates your injectors, lubricates your high pressure pump, and it makes diesel more suitable to burn properly into the combustion chamber. So people who are suffering with these sort of issues and thinking that their diesel car is not running properly, what they need to do is clearly they should mix this two-stroke engine oil into their diesel and see the difference. I have been doing this to my car and to this engine for at least 3 to 4 years, and the results are very promising. See, there are many companies in the market which say that they clean your injectors and whatnot BS. See, those products just don't work. You need to buy this costs only, I guess, 140 rupees. The MRP is 183, but this will come for like 145 150 rupees. And you know what, you just need to mix 10 to 20 mls in your diesel, and you know what, just see the night and day difference. Believe me, you will fall in love with your car again, and you will always use this 2T mix with your diesel car. I will not recommend this with petrol. This is not at all recommended with petrol cars. So please, people owning petrol cars, don't do this with your vehicle, because your vehicle is a 4-stroke engine and it is a completely different technology. This is only for diesel cars. I hope you guys like this video. If you have any queries, any questions, kindly please comment down below. I'll be very happy to help. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys. I will meet you guys in the next video. Bye guys.